Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Open Source LLMs and the Hugging Face Ecosystem. Unleashing community power for your projects. Imagine a super smart digital brain that has read almost everything ever written online: books, articles, websites, conversations. This brain learns how language works. Not just words, but meaning, context, and even tone. This is a large language model, LLM. It can then understand your questions, write stories, summarize complex texts, translate languages, or even help you write computer code. Think of it like having a genius language assistant right at your fingertips. Open source means the instructions and code behind a technology are freely available for anyone to see, use, modify, and share. For LLMs, this means the recipe for that super smart brain is public. Why is this amazing? Instead of a single company owning all the best AI, the community can collaborate. It's like everyone sharing their best cooking recipes online. We all learn, improve, and create new dishes together. This makes powerful AI accessible to more developers and fosters rapid innovation. If open source LLMs are the powerful engines, Hugging Face is the central garage and marketplace where you find them. Think of it as GitHub, but specifically designed for artificial intelligence. It's a massive online platform where researchers, developers, and companies share, discover, and collaborate on AI models, like our LLMs, datasets, the food for the AI, and specialized tools. It's the go-to place for anyone looking to build with modern AI. Hugging Face isn't just one thing. It's a vibrant ecosystem. Models. This is where you find the LLMs themselves, ready-to-use AI brains. Often pre-trained on vast amounts of data. You can download them like an app for your project. Datasets. Asterisk, these are the huge collections of information that models learn from. Imagine a digital library of books, images, or audio. Developers share these so others can train new models or fine-tune existing ones for specific tasks. Spaces. Asterisk, these are interactive, browser-based applications and demos of AI projects. Developers can host their AI creations directly on Hugging Face, allowing anyone to try them out instantly without any complex setup. It's like an online gallery where you can play with AI art or chatbots. As a developer, Hugging Face simplifies working with advanced AI, instead of building an LLM from scratch, which is incredibly complex. You can go to the Hugging Face Hub, pick an existing open source model, and easily integrate it into your projects, using their user-friendly Python library. Transformers. You can literally import a powerful LLM and make it perform tasks like generating text, answering questions, or summarizing documents with just a few lines of code. It's like having a universal remote for AI capabilities. Choosing open source LLMs through Hugging Face offers immense advantages. Cost-effective. Asterisk, many powerful models are free to use, saving you substantial development costs compared to proprietary APIs. Flexibility and control. Asterisk, you gain the ability to customize, fine-tune, and deeply understand how the models work, instead of treating them as black boxes. Community power. Asterisk, access to a vast, active community means endless resources, tutorials, and support to help you learn and overcome challenges. Rapid innovation. The open source world moves fast. Hugging Face is often the first place new breakthroughs and models are shared, keeping you at the cutting edge of AI development. Ready to jump in? Here's how to begin your AI development journey. 1. Explore the Hugging Face Hub. Visit huggingface.co and browse the Models section. Play around with the interactive demos. Spaces. To see AI in action. 2. Install Transformers if you know Python. Install the Transformers library. Pip install Transformers This is your key to unlocking models. 3. Try a pipeline. Use the pipeline function in Transformers for a super quick start. It lets you perform common AI tasks like text generation or sentiment analysis with just one line of code. It's like ordering a pre-made meal, easy and delicious. This is your entry point to building amazing AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.